What is financial literacy? Financial literacy means understanding how money works, how to earn it, save it, and spend it wisely. It helps us make smart financial decisions that affect our future. Let's break it down into 4 key parts. Key aspects of financial literacy. Budgeting. Budgeting is the process of planning how to spend your money. Saving. Saving means putting money aside for future use. Investing. Investing is when you use your money to grow wealth. Managing debt. Debt is borrowing money, but it must be managed wisely. Why financial literacy is important? Financial literacy is key to a stable and successful life. It empowers you to make smart financial decisions and avoid money-related stress. People who start saving early can have twice as much by retirement. The earlier you start, the more your savings grow. Understanding money management will help you achieve your goals and build a secure future. Start learning financial literacy today and watch your future grow.